What's different about this impact driver? Everything. The 18-volt LXT lithium-ion brushless quick shift mode 3-speed impact driver, delivering versatility, ergonomics, durability, and performance. With quick shift mode technology, you complete your fastening application with precision and control. Quick shift mode is engineered to automatically downshift from 3rd to 2nd speed to minimize screw stripping, breaking, and damage to work. Minimize screw breakage by selecting the speed with the quick shift mode 3-speed selector. Monitor the life of the battery with its 3-stage power indicator. You also get a better balance tool with superior ergonomics and less weight. Equipped with extreme protection technology, XPT is a series of seals inside the tool engineered for improved performance in harsh job site conditions. Oh, did we say brushless? The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of MAKITA LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.